We've all been there. We've all experienced them. Those unforeseen moments when we find ourselves in need. Those moments, among all uncertainty, when more than ever, we need to reach out and connect. Those moments where, above all, we need a voice offering reassurance and hope. Those moments when a single voice brings peace of mind. At Sykes, our entire business has been built on preparing for these moments. The sound of a comforting and knowledgeable voice when you need it is one of the most precious sounds in the world. And no matter where that call comes from or when it is, at that moment, that conversation with you is all there is, all that matters. In those moments of need, when pains are real, and the silence is overwhelming, there's one sound that always comes through loud and clear. It is the sound of service, the sound of solution, the sound of Sykes.